Hello, good afternoon. I'm doing this live again because last time I had plugged in for the charge and I think you couldn't hear me. So lame. Okay, so this is a video, a live session that I'm going to start, and this would be a series of video that we'll keep doing every alternate week. One week we will bring in professional and another week we will talk about our products. Professionals to talk about topics related to baby health, baby care, food and other things, and me majorly talking about the brand Tots and Moms. My name is Kavitha, I'm founder of Tots and Moms Foods, and it is an organic food store, and recently we have been announced as India's healthiest food range. We got the runner-up award by KSP, and kudos to the team and thank you so much. Thank you so much to everybody for voting us, trusting in us, and believing in us and our products. So this series where I'll be talking about products of Tots and Moms, I am picking in two products today. One is Ragi Dates and Almond, another one is Dalia Dates and Almond. Why I have chosen these products is because it is travel season. Most of them want a convenient option yet healthier one. Instead of choosing something which is highly processed and something that wouldn't suit your child, you're not sure of. So we also give this trial packs. You can check them before traveling and then take the bigger pack while you are on the go, you are somewhere else, but you still want the Indian and homely products which are chemical free, instant, and definitely our range of products. These two will be helpful. I'm going to show you a quick image of these two products because it is ulta when I show it in the live. So this is Ragi Dates and Almond and Dalia Dates and Almond. Both are priced at 295 rupees, and all of our products are chemical free. That is the whole essence of the brand, that we do not use any preservatives as well. And you can see the combination of instant mix here. It is so amazing. So Ragi Dates Almond altogether is a complete meal. Dalia Dates Almond is a complete meal by itself. So no other fancy ingredient. Apart from this, you will get cardamom added here for the flavoring. Now I will show you how the product looks. What are the ingredients? So the simple ingredients here are ragi, almond, dates and cardamom. The percentage of ingredients is also visible. We follow all the FSI standards and we are organic certified as well. Now I will quickly show you how to make this instant mix. So this is Dalia Almond Dates. This video I had made long time back, and this portrays what are the ingredients here in a simple manner. So these are the 4 ingredients, and here is our Dalia Dates and Almond. So Dalia and Ragi are the carbohydrate that your child needs to stay active. And now this whole mix, when you take it in a bowl, add piping hot water. Please use a whisk, mix it up and cover it with a lid. These are not processed products, so these are naturally made, and a little time when you give, these come out very creamy like this. So this is Dalia Almond Dates, a simple way of how to make it, and I'm sure while you're traveling it becomes easy to carry such products instead of again going for commercial products which have lots of chemicals. To give you detail on the ingredients now, these are the ones that you can see. Dalia is the purest form of wheat and an amazing ingredient, an Indian by nature for sure. Especially when you are out, you know how much they eat and how much they run around. So this will take care of it. And in another box, that is Ragi Dates and Almond, you can see Ragi being the main ingredient here. So ragi is a great summer food with its cooling effects, and it is rich in iron as well. Keeps the child energetic for a longer time. So ragi are the main two differentiations, ragi or dalia, in these two products. Almonds are again rich in healthy fats, protein, brain boosting, especially needed to keep up the energy, and dates are rich in iron, and amazing thing is they are natural sweeteners. Now if your child is of 8 months, you are not supposed to add in sugar or jaggery, and even if you are adding in jaggery, that is recommended only once or twice a week. Here in this whole package, a very minimal percentage of dates is added, which is as necessary as your child would need. So this dates is rich in fiber and a great natural tasting one, and rich in iron as well. So amazing thing. And altogether, while you're traveling, you know your children will have digestion issues because of the change in climate or the continuous travel, the tiredness. So this dates is rich in fiber that ensures that your child's digestive health is taken care of. And cardamom is the natural seasoning, and it has a natural spice for the natural flavoring. This comes with its own medicinal benefits that is great, especially for respiratory health. It is great, and also calms one's body, and takes care of the mouth odor as well. So it's an amazing food for your child. And if there is anything that you want to know, please comment and ask me. I am planning to make this video as small or shorter one as possible, because I would be saving this for future use. And yeah, I think I have almost covered everything here from telling you. Yeah, one thing I want to show is, be it in any events, I take up the product and I do not show it how beautiful it looks. I rather turn it around and I show the ingredients. So please check on the ingredients. As mentioned, these are the only 4 ingredients that you can understand, that is found in your kitchen, that is simple and easily digestible for your child. And there are other variants as well. You can go to our website and check those products. And you can see our products are organic certified as well. You can purchase our products on different platforms. They are available at totsandmoms.com and Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, Big Basket. All these sites you can find our products. Okay, so thank you for trusting in us, and you can see amazing reviews of our products on Amazon, Flipkart, FirstCry, everywhere. And I mean, this is not something where we can pay and get done. Maybe 10, 20 people, sometimes some brands think that it is easy to get, but we are keeping this brand as ethical as possible, because from a parent to another parent, I know how important it is to choose a baby food. And yeah, in case I have forgotten, this can be given to babies above 8 months of age, and until they take porridges you can continue. But after a year, I always recommend to switch to healthy foods. And yes, while you're traveling, it's not that always you need to carry something. Anywhere you are, you can always choose their own I mean, you can ask the chef to make something. If you are eating some rice and dal or khichdi, you can ask them to make it sugar free and give it to your child. You can ask them to steam carrots. You can ask them to make chila. Many things are possible. Okay, so please have a safe travel, enjoy your travel, and in case you're worried about buying a whole packet of 295 rupees, there are trial packs as well. You can choose them, pick them up from totsandmoms.com. And if you are a Bangalorean, we have a store in Bangalore, in Banshapli 3rd stage. Please feel free to visit there and have a look at the range of products that we have. Thank you so much for watching this video. I went on and on telling you about the product. I'm glad so many viewers joined us and made this a successful live session. And any comments you have, I will save the video. You can post it under that, and I will answer all your queries. I must, right? So yes, thank you so much. I'm planning to resume our videos on YouTube. So you can also subscribe to us on Tots and Moms at YouTube to follow up on all the videos that I posted. Thank you so much again. Bye bye.